Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Rezo Haircare is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for achieving beautifully defined curls and waves, transforming frizzy, unmanageable hair into a vibrant, healthy masterpiece that truly reflects your unique style and personality, making every day a good hair day with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex and Degree 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and protect your hair from future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful conditioner works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Whether you have coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair, this formula is perfect for you. It provides the care your unique texture needs. Experience stronger, healthier hair with every use. It actively works to strengthen your hair from within. Trust in the science of Olaplex to restore and maintain your hair's integrity. Achieve visibly healthier hair with this essential step in your routine. What we like. This conditioner is a powerhouse for repairing and strengthening your hair from within. If you have damaged hair from styling or chemical treatments, this is your go-to. It will help restore your hair's health and resilience, making it look and feel much stronger. What people say. This product is amazing, it made my hair so soft and shiny. I love how this product smells, it's not too strong and it leaves my hair smelling great all day. This product is a game changer for my frizzy hair, it keeps it smooth and manageable. Number 4. YoulerTex Microfiber Hair Towel Wrap. Discover the YoulerTex Microfiber Hair Towel Wrap, designed for effortless hair drying. This pack offers a convenient solution for your hair care routine. Crafted from premium microfiber, it quickly absorbs excess water, significantly cutting down your hair's drying time after washing. Measuring 10 by 26 inches, this towel is perfectly sized for all hair lengths and types. It's especially effective for long, curly, or thick hair. The user-friendly turban twist design makes it incredibly easy to wrap and secure. It stays comfortably in place while you multitask. Its lightweight nature makes it ideal for travel or gym sessions. Enjoy quick and efficient drying wherever your day takes you. Perfect for use after showers or swimming, it's a must-have accessory for maintaining healthy curls and overall hair health. What we like. This innovative hair towel dramatically cuts down your drying time, thanks to its super absorbent microfiber. If you're tired of heavy bath towels or want to protect your hair from heat damage, this is an excellent choice. Its convenient turban design stays put, allowing you to multitask while your hair dries gently. What people say. The shampoo and conditioner set is a great value for the price. I love the way my hair feels after using this product. This product really helped my hair grow faster. Number 3. OGX Argan Oil Curl Defining Styling Cream. Unlock the secret to beautifully defined curls with our nourishing styling cream. It's designed to enhance your natural texture. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to radiant shine. This formula works to smooth and control, leaving your curls looking their best. Experience the power of cold-pressed argan oil. This precious ingredient deeply hydrates and revitalizes your hair from root to tip. We believe in gentle care. That's why our cream is free from parabens and harsh sulfates, making it perfect for all hair types. Whether your hair is tightly coiled or loosely waved, this cream is your go-to for effortless styling. It enhances every curl pattern. Get that salon-quality look right at home. Achieve bouncy, healthy-looking curls with every use. What we like. This styling cream is a dream for enhancing natural curls and combating frizz. If you're looking for defined, bouncy curls without the crunch, this product delivers. It nourishes your hair while providing a soft hold, perfect for achieving a polished yet natural curly look. What people say. Number 2. iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System. Are you struggling with hair loss, thinning, or a receding hairline? This innovative system offers a powerful solution for both men and women. It's designed to help you regain confidence with a fuller head of hair. This device is an FDA-cleared treatment specifically designed for various forms of hair loss, including alopecia. It uses advanced laser technology to stimulate natural hair growth. Experience visible hair improvement in as little as 3 to 6 months. Clinical studies show 100% of users saw growth, with an average increase of over 43% in hair count. Utilizing clinical strength laser technology, it helps you grow thicker, fuller, and healthier hair quickly. You can use it as a standalone treatment or combine it with other hair loss solutions for enhanced results. Developed in GMP-certified facilities, this home-use cap is durable, lightweight, and incredibly comfortable. Its hands-free design allows you to go about your day while it works its magic, unlike cumbersome combs or brushes. Forget constant hand movements and limited coverage. This device offers superior coverage and convenience, making your hair restoration journey effortless. It integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. What we like. This device offers a clinically proven solution for stimulating hair growth and combating hair loss. If you are experiencing thinning hair or a receding hairline and want a hands-free, effective treatment, this is a top contender. It's an investment in your hair's future, designed to help you achieve denser, fuller hair with consistent use. What people say. The Rezo Haircare system is a game-changer for fine hair, providing incredible volume and thickness without weighing it down. I love how the Rezo Haircare products leave my hair feeling soft and manageable, with a noticeable improvement in texture and shine. The unique design of the Rezo haircut, combined with the specialized products, creates a beautiful shape and body that lasts for days. Number 1. Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. Discover the secret to beautifully defined curls. Our advanced formula enhances your natural texture, providing frizz control and a soft, touchable finish. Infused with nourishing argan oil, this cream deeply hydrates your hair. It helps shape and separate curls without stiffness or stickiness. Say goodbye to unruly frizz and hello to smooth, manageable waves. Enjoy long-lasting hold and definition that keeps your curls looking their best. Achieve salon-worthy curls with ease. Simply apply to damp hair and style as usual for a polished look that lasts. Experience the transformative power of our curl-defining cream. It brings out the best in every curl, leaving them bouncy, shiny, and full of life. What we like. This cream is expertly formulated to enhance and define your natural curls with a soft, touchable finish. If you desire well-formed, hydrated curls that are free from frizz, this product is an excellent choice. It provides nourishment and definition, leaving your curls looking vibrant and healthy. What people say. The Rezo Haircare system is a game-changer for achieving voluminous and bouncy curls. It effectively defines curls without stiffness, leaving hair soft and manageable. The unique design of the Rezo haircut allows for natural growth and easy styling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.